Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this video, I am reviewing Super Scalper EA for MT4 based on the information available on the MQL5 Marketplace page. This is an MT4 expert advisor developed by Tran Thanh Tuyen and designed as a fully automated trading system focused on several major Forex pairs. Starting with the marketplace overview, Super Scalper EA is currently listed at a purchase price of 48 US dollars. The current version is 1.1 and the product description presents it as a fully automated trading solution for Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CAD, and AUD USD on the M5 time frame. Now, according to the developer, the EA is built around the price action mean reversion approach. The description explains that it utilizes what is referred to as the peakedness of market distribution, all right, to identify potential trend reversal opportunities. Now, the developer also emphasizes that one of the key priorities of the system is account safety, which, of course, is important, while difficult calculations and money management functions are handled automatically by the EA. As we continue scrolling through the product page, we can see that the EA is positioned as a tool suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. The developer notes that there are no unnecessary customization options, which may appeal to users looking for a simpler setup process without extensive parameter adjustments. Moving into the features section, several important points are highlighted. The EA performs automatic market analysis using the developer's own indicators and includes what is described as a non-linear money management algorithm. In addition, the product mentions various capital protection algorithms and a flexible risk management system. The marketplace page also references advanced algorithms for market entry and exit decisions. While the exact calculations behind those processes are not disclosed, these elements are presented as part of the overall framework used to identify trading opportunities and manage positions. Before moving into the testing section, let us take a look at the recommended trading environment. The developer recommends using the EA on Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CAD, and AUD USD with the M5 time frame. An ECN account is suggested and the minimum deposit recommendation shown on the page is $100. The developer also advises downloading complete historical data and using every tick modeling when running backtests. Now, let us move over to the historical testing section. As I review the provided tester report here, it is important to remember that historical testing is designed to evaluate how an expert advisor performed under past market conditions. It provides useful insights into behavior and consistency, but it should never be interpreted as a guarantee of future performance. So here, this is for USD CAD on the M5 time frame, every tick modeling, $200 deposits, $3,067.42 net profit, 236 trades taken, win rate 87.29%. Okay, this is for AUD USD, 3,492.4 net profit, same deposit, of course. And then in this case, we have 88.54% win rate. This is for Euro USD, same time frame, same deposit, $1,264.2 net profit, 84.12% win rate. Here we have for GBP USD, wow, this is actually 14,612.72. So this seems to be the biggest so far. Okay, and the win rate here is 83.61%. All right, and then I can also see that I think the duration for the testing are the same: 1st December 2020 to 2nd November 2021. Okay, here the same thing, here the same thing. Okay, so far GBP USD seems to be the one with the highest net profit, but then remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. Let's head over to our strategy tester. Let us also see how the Super Scalper EA performed in recent times. Okay, so we are testing with 2026 data, but it's just 3 months duration. Euro USD M5 every tick model between 22nd March to 22nd June 2026. So here we have initial deposits $10,000. The total net profit in this case was $175,320.88. Pretty impressive. 74 total trades taken. The win rate here is 87.84%. And the largest profit was 13,002.93. The largest loss was 8,907.6. The average profit 3,296.74. The average loss 4,329.72. Okay, so that means that the average risk to reward ratio is bad. Okay, is the risk to reward ratio is bad, but the win rate is good. All right, and let's go turn on the visual so that we can also see the EA in action. Now, looking through the historical chart activity, the behavior aligns with the product descriptions, focus on identifying potential reversal opportunities within the price action. Since the developer specifically describes the system as a mean reversion approach, reviewing the trade history can help us observe how the EA reacted during periods where prices moved away from and then potentially returned toward previous market levels. When studying the chart's history, I like to pay attention to how entries and exits are distributed over time, how positions are managed during changing market conditions, and whether the system appears consistent with its stated methodology. All right. So these observations can often provide more useful insight than focusing solely on profit figures. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. Testing multiple years of data and comparing different market environments can help reveal strengths and limitations that may not be obvious from a shorter test period. Looking at the historical backtest results overall, it is important to remember that historical testing performance can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and any optimization choices made by the user. Overall, the Super Scalper EA for MT4 presents itself as a fully automated price action and mean reversion trading system designed for major Forex pairs on the M5 time frame. With automated analysis, built-in risk management components, and a focus on trend reversal opportunities, it offers a structured approach that traders can evaluate further through their own testing and optimization before considering live deployment. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next review.